So, Monday, March 10th, and Dad is putting some hubs onto the axles here for the airboat. They're going to put the wheels back on.
Come over here and I'm going to show you what's going on.
Okay.
You see the grooves on here?
Yeah.
That's what the seal rides on.
Oh.
So what you do is the emery cloth is cleaned up real good, put grease on it, and you put one of these on, and now you got a brand new place for the seal to ride on.
Oh, wow.
Called the speedy sleeve.
Okay. Okay, so they were wondering if they were going to get their speedy sleeve in, and they did, which is a good thing. So Dad's just...
We ordered 4, but we only got 2 so far.
Okay, well, I guess you can only do one at a time, right?
So then what you do is you take your speedy sleeve like this.
Yeah.
But you have to make a driver. So this is the right size.
Yeah.
Put it on like that.
Okay.
And you kept tapping it on.
Okay.
The depth you want. Until it's flush with the edge.
Yeah.
You're done.
Perfect. So 1, 2 done. Dad's using SKF seals here. That's the brand we like for seals.
Yeah, this is SKF Speedy Sleeve. Good quality stuff.
Yeah. So, young Aiden is sweeping the shop, but we got another apprentice over here with...
Once you do this, then it's just like new again. Huh?
Yeah. So how often are you changing these out?
Well, just when the shaft gets wore out from dirt and backing it in now the water. Our water has so much silt in it that if it happens, the leak gets in there, it wears the hell out of the shaft.
So the other thing that Dad would have gotten completed here today was putting in rad, and they were working on this yesterday, if you remember in the previous video, and they got all this in place with the brackets and the new screen or the cleaned out screen, and
the prop is washed on both sides and waxed.
Okay, so if you remember, that old rad was pretty beat up, and it was a definite requirement for getting replaced. I think it was on its last legs. I know it was giving these guys problems last year, but yeah, so they're expecting another Bombardier here pretty quick. Not a Bombardier, sorry, another airboat pretty quick. So this is what Dad's life is going to be like here for the next couple of weeks, is airboat repair. And he's got some young guys in the shop here to help him out, which is good, because it's jumping in and out of the boats is not so fun. But if you remember on the previous video, the other Bombardier is going, and we're going to have Larry from Saskatchewan showing up here, possibly at the end of the week with the Bombardier. We don't know quite yet if he's showing up with a Bombardier or not. But yeah, so this is what Dad's up to, and he's got 2 young guys to supervise and boss around. So everybody's happy here.